Hello student. Recently Jee Advance exam is done on 18th May. This time IIT Kanpur have conducted this Jee Advance exam and finally that we have questions paper, advanced question paper. So let's discuss it one by one. First, now we are discussing physical and inorganic chemistry question paper first, shift first. Actually Jee Advance paper is conducted into two shifts, paper first and paper second, and both shift physics, chemistry, maths is there, right? So it is paper first, and physical and inorganic we are discussing in this session. In next session we will discuss organic separately, and same way we will discuss paper 2 also. So let's start. So question number first, and also we will check that how much we have covered in our class notes, and how was this year question, the advanced question paper, and all these things we will discuss. And you are able to relate with our class notes also, like whatever the questions is asked, that we have covered in our class notes. If you will go through from our class notes, it will be good. So let's start with that. So first question that we have, that is the heating of NH4NO2 at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius and NH4NO3 at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius and is associated with the formation of nitrogen containing compound X and Y respectively. X and Y respectively are. So what they are saying? They are saying that when NH4NO2 we are heating at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, or NH4NO3 is there that we are heating at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius. So that reactions we will do in qualitative analysis also. And P block in nitrogen family also we have written this type of reaction. So first of all, if I want to categorize from where it is asked, so first what I will write, qualitative. Also we will write this reactions, or in P block in nitrogen family. Easy questions is there, direct reactions we have to know, and simple reactions are there, like when NH4 NO2 is heated, in that case at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, it will give us N2 nitrogen gas plus water molecule. But at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, or at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius, when NH4 NO3 is heated, so in that case it will give us N2O gas plus water. So simple reactions is there. Qualitative analysis we have done. In reactions we will write in this case, and here N2 gas will release in case of NH4NO2, that is asked NH4NO2 and NH4NO3, or in case of NH4NO3 N2 gas will release. So no problem, easy question is there. So if option we will check, then first option will be correct. Okay, let's go to question number 2. That question number 2 that we have, that is from coordination compound. Very important chapter whenever we are teaching in class also. So every time I am saying, for JEE mains point of view also, for JEE advanced point of view also, for both exam, it is very important chapter. And let's see what is asked in that. The correct order of wavelength maxima of the absorption band in the ultraviolet visible region for the given complexes is. See, this question is very simple. Like from advanced point of view, this type of question is not expected. But okay, very easy question is there. And it is not like in that case, very tough things is asked, simple thing is asked, just language they have given like that. So that it seems like to us it is very tough, but it is not actually, if I will tell you how. See here, what they are asking, that wavelength maxima of the absorption band in the ultraviolet visible region, that is they have tried to make you afraid with all this type of word, but it is simple thing is there. Like we know all our octahedral complexes is there, and we know delta O is directly proportional to strength of ligand. Yes or no? Strength of ligand. And delta O is what? Splitting energy in octahedral complexes. So what they are trying to say, that when it will absorb that photon, what will be the wavelength of that photon in that increasing or decreasing order we have to arrange. So if photon, if delta O is the energy, splitting energy is there. If it is the splitting energy, that means in energy is absorbed, that will be in term of photon only. Yes or no? So photon energy is what? Hc by lambda. So delta O, what I can write? Hc by lambda. Lambda is what? Absorbed. So this what we can say, and delta O is directly proportional to strength of ligand. So from here we can relate. If ligand strength is more, in that case what is there? Absorb wavelength is there, that will be less. Yes sir. So from here ligand strength order we can write ligand strength order. So we know in that we have given Cn, NH3, H2 and Cl minus. If in that ligand strength order we will write, so we know carbon donating compound are more strong, after that nitrogen, or after that oxygen, or halogens are weakly. Yes, sir. So this will be the order. In that case, maximum strength is what for Cn minus? Maximum strength for Cn minus, that means lambda absorb, that will be minimum. Why in this case? So let's see which option is correct for us. So option number 1, Cn minus is given minimum, then NH3, then after that H2, or after that Cl. Yes, first option is correct in that case. What is done? There is no problem. First option is only correct. So Cn minus will be minimum wavelength photon will be absorbed. Minimum wavelength means maximum energy. So and maximum energy, because maximum splitting is there in that case. So okay, no problem. I can hide this thing. Yeah. Now you can check once. Okay. Let's start next question. Okay, if I have to read this question, so question is easy, concept is very easy, but they have tried to make you afraid by this language, so I will give to this moderate. Otherwise, question is very easy, concept is very easy. Already we have done this thing, so no problem. Okay, next. Question number 3. Question number 3 is one of the product form of the reaction of permanganate ion with iodide ion in neutral aqueous medium. Very easy question, direct question is there. In DNF block, we will study this. DNF block. In DNF block, 2 compounds only we have done for mains point of view also. First permanganate, or second is K2Cr2O7. Yes, sir. In that all the medium reactions we have written, in acidic medium also, in basic medium also, in neutral medium also. In that case, what is asked? Neutral aqueous medium it is asked. So in neutral aqueous medium, we know if reaction we will write in neutral medium. In neutral medium. So in neutral medium, KMnO4, MnO4 minus will convert into MnO2, and I minus is there, iodide ion, I minus will convert into IO3 minus. So if overall reaction I have to write, so overall reaction what I can write, MnO4 minus plus I minus, neutral medium is taken, neutral aqueous medium, so water I have to take, or MnO2 plus IO3 minus, or plus OH. This will be the overall reaction. Wait, once this will be the overall reaction, or this reaction already we have written. 2 ways we will write. In DNF block also we have written this reaction, or when we will do this equivalent concept, at that time in redox reaction also we will write this reaction, so no problem. So option B for Bombay will be the correct answer for that. Let's move for next. So this was our question number 3. Okay, if that question I have to rate, then it is easy only. Easy question, direct from class 2. Question number 5 that we have, regarding the molecular orbital MO energy level for homonuclear diatomic molecule. The incorrect, first of all, very important. What they are asking, incorrect statement are asking. Sometimes we are very excited, we will see the options. Oh, it is correct, it is correct. But in question also we have to see what is asked, incorrect option it is asked, right? So that we have to check. So option number A, what is given, It is what? From chemical bonding. Chemical bonding chapter. And see, bond order of any two is 0. So bond order is asked, so no problem. Bond order formula we have written in MO. What is there? Number of electron in bonding minus number of electron in anti-bonding divided by 2. So in that case, if any two bond order we will write. So in any two neon, how many electrons are there? 10 electrons are there. Yes or no? Two molecules, two atoms of neon is there, and 20 electrons are there. 20 electrons we have to fill. That means total 20 electrons is there. If that electronic configuration we will see, so in this electronic configuration we will get to know that in bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital in neon, same electrons will be there. Are direct we know neon is what? Inert gas. It will be exist in atomic form, not molecular form. In molecular form it is not exist, that means bond is not possible. In that case our bond order will be 0 in between them. It is a monoatomic gas. Or if we will check by MOT also, so MOT also in that bonding molecular orbital also 10 electrons is there, or anti-bonding also 10 is there, bond order we will calculate, that will come out 0. If bond order will come out 0, then this is asked. So this is correct statement, it is correct, but correct option is not our answer, incorrect option is our answer, that don't forget. So it is not our answer, option A. If option B we will check, option B is saying the highest occupied molecular orbital HOMO for F2 is sigma type. What they are saying, highest HOMO means highest occupied molecular orbital. So first we have to write electronic configuration. If electronic configuration for F2 we will write, so clearly we can write sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. How many electrons we have to fill? 18 electrons we have to fill. Sigma star 1s2. After that sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. After that electron, because electron more than 14, so it will go in pi 2px2 and pi 2py2. After that sigma 2pz2. But after the how many electron? 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or after that electron will go in pi star 2px, pi star 2py. So 2 and 2, 18 electron is done. Yes, sir. So after that will come out, that will be what? Sigma star 2pz. That is 0. So it is what? It is our LUMO. It is what? HOMO. So HOMO is sigma or pi? HOMO is pi. So in that case, this statement is what? Incorrect. Correct. So this will be our answer. But this question is actually, I forget to write it here, but it is multiple choice question. And multiple choice question, that means more than one, more than one option is correct. So let's see one more option if it is there then. So option C is saying bond energy of O2 plus is smaller than bond energy of O2. So bond energy we can relate by bond order. Bond order we can calculate. In O2, if we will say, so bond energy is one, first we can write, if bond energy is there, is directly proportional to bond order. Bond order. And bond order of O2 we will check. In O2 how many electrons are there? 16 electrons is there. And in O2 plus how many electrons are there? 15 electrons is there. Yes sir. So if a bond order we will calculate, if a bond order we will calculate for O2 and O2 plus. So in O2 we know when 14 electrons are there, then bond order is 3. And now how many electrons? 1 by 1 electrons is increasing, bond order will decrease by half. So 14 to 15 bond order will be what? 2.5. So here bond order will be what? 2.5. And 15 to 16 bond order will be what? 2. So bond order of O2 is 2. Bond order of O2 plus is what? 2.5. So O2 plus bond order is more. In that case bond energy of O2 plus is more. That means this statement is also incorrect. If this statement is also incorrect, that means this should be also our answer. If next option we will check, option number D. If option number D is saying to us bond length of L2 is larger than the bond length of B2. If we will check in D option, then bond order for both will come out same. Li2 also and B2 also. Both bond order will be same. In that case, how we will compare bond length? If a bond order we know, then by bond order we can calculate. So now the simple concept is there that L2 molecule, Li2 molecule is there. Li2 molecule is larger in size. Lithium molecule is larger in size. So in that case, what is there? Larger molecule will form the more bigger bond and smaller molecule will form the smaller bond. So in that case, what is there? Bond length, if we will compare, so bond length of Li2 will be more and B2 will be less. And in option also it is given Li2 is larger than B2. That means if this statement is correct, that means it is not our answer. So what will the answer? Incorrect is asking B and C will be our answer. Let's start next question. So next question is saying, question number 6, that pair of dimagnetic ions. Dimagnetic ions, direct electronic configuration. From where? Which chapter? D and F block again. D and F block. And direct electron. See, this much simple questions is asking. Direct electronic configuration is asking. Only on electronic configuration based question is asking. Jee Advance. So if we will write the electronic configuration La plus 3 but in that case, remember, in ionic state it is asked, not in neutral atom. So lanthanum plus 3, lanthanum, what is the electron atomic number? 57. Or if plus 3 oxidation state, if electronic configuration is what? 4f0, 5d0, 6f0, valence cell electronic configuration. If cerium plus 4, I will write cerium plus 4. Cerium atomic number is what? 58. So it will be also what? 4f0, 5d0 or 6f0. So in that case, what is there? Unpaired electron is 0. Number of unpaired electron is 0. Number of unpaired electron, no unpaired electron. That means it is what? Dimagnetic. So A our answer. With that, if option number B will check, ytterbium plus 2. So in that case, what will be there? Electronic configuration will write. I will write 4f14 in that case, and a 5d0 or 6s2. Sorry, 6s also 0. Wait. 6s0. So in that case, number of unpaired electron is 0. Lu plus 3, that is what? 71. So in that also 4f14, 5d0 or 6s0. So in that case also, what is there? Our number of unpaired electron is 0. If number of unpaired electron is there, that means it will be also dimagnetic. That means it should be our also answer. If a C option we will check, that is option number A, that is option number B, or that is option number C. Lanthanum plus 2. So in plus 3, what is there? No unpaired electron. Plus 3, no unpaired electron. You can see here. But in that means in plus 2, what is there? One unpaired electron will be there. If one unpaired electron is there, that means that will be what? Paramagnetic. Its electronic configuration will write 4f0, 5d1 or 6s0. Same way, cerium plus 3. In that also one unpaired electron will be there. 4f1, 5d0 or 6s0. So that means it is what? Paramagnetic. That means it is not our answer. Option number D we will check. In what is there? Yttrium plus 3. So in plus 3, what is there? 4f14 is there. If one more electron we will remove, then 4f13 will left. So in that case, what will be there? Electronic on one unpaired electron will be there. So that means it is also paramagnetic. That means that is also not correct. So A and B are answer. Same way Lu plus T you can check. No problem. So this question is very easy. Very easy. Direct question is asked. No problem, I think. Next is, in an electrochemical cell, dichromate ions in aqueous acidic medium are reduced to Cr plus 3. The current that flows through the cell of 48.25 minutes to produce 1 mole of Cr plus 3. Direct DNF block. It is question is given for in electrochemistry, but see, reaction is used in DNF block, dichromate ion in acidic medium. So we know acidic medium, dichromate Cr2O7 minus 2 in acidic medium, that means in H plus, it will be reduced into Cr plus 3. Cr plus 3. In acidic medium, dichromate ion will reduce in Cr plus 3. If valence reaction I will write, so I have remembered this reaction direct because we will use this thing. In that 6 electron for 2 chromium and 7 H2 here. But if you have not remember, then what you can do, you can balance by two method we have, ion electron method and oxidation number method. By any method you can balance this reaction. So from here what we get to know, they are asking for 1 mole, but in this balance reaction by interpretation by mole concept, if we will check, then what is there, when 2 mole Cr plus 3 will form, then how many electrons is required? 6 mole electrons. Yes sir. So for 1 mole how many will require? 3 mole, because for 1 mole it is asking produce 1 mole of Cr plus 3. Producing 1 mole of Cr plus 3, that means total charge we can calculate Q. So Q will be what? N into F. F Faraday value they have given 96,500 we have to use. So that we will calculate 3 into 96,500. Then how many charge we have passed? When we will solve this, this value will come out 289,500. I have already calculated. You can calculate again if you want. Now what they have asked, they in this question they have asking the current flow I. So I will be what? Q upon T. So Q we have, time we have. So Q is what? 289,500 divided by time is what? 48.25, that we have to take in seconds, so multiply by 60. Or when we will solve this, then downside will also come out very easy number 2895, or it will exactly we will cancel out by 100 times rate. It will exactly cancel out by 100. So 100 ampere current is flow in 48.25 minutes. Very easy question. But if direct this reaction you don't know, then this question might be like typical for you. If this reaction you don't know, if this reaction you know, then no problem. So I will, due to this reaction, because reaction is not given in the question, if reaction will be given, then there is no problem. But if reaction is not given, that's why I will give into moderate. So otherwise electrochemistry question is there, very easy question is there. It is not like very typical question is asked from electrochemistry, direct formula based question is there, direct, just reactions we have to know, simple. Otherwise there is no problem. Let's go to next question. At 25 degrees Celsius, the concentration, okay, this is integer based question. Integer based question is there, integer based. That's why that option is not there, integer based. So up to after decimal up to 2 digit we have to mark the question. So agar correct answer we will write, then 100.00 we have to fill. Simple. Okay. Ninth question that we have, that is at 25 degrees Celsius the concentration of H plus ion is given to us 1.00 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar aqueous solution of a weak monobasic acid having acid dissociation constant K is 4 into 10 to the power minus 11 is x into 10 to the power minus 7 m. The value of x, this value of x is asked, integer type question is there. So first of all that we have to notice here that this Ka value is given, that is very less, very less. That means when Ka value is very less, in that case one more thing that we have to consider, that means only weak acid H plus ion, only from weak acid we can't take. In that case H plus ion from water molecule also we have to include. Yes or no? That means that weak acid we will consider a mixture of two acids, mixture of acid. That means one water is there or one weak acid that we have. So mixture of this weak acid, if formula we will write, mixture in a two acid mixture, H plus formula is what? C1 K1 plus second thing that we have to take, that is water, C water and Ka of water. Now you will ask, what Ka for water is not given, then why you are considering? We can calculate this thing. What is there? T1 is given in the question, Ka1 for that acid is given in the question, concentration of water, or this Ka of H2O, what I can write? H plus ion concentration, H plus ion concentration, OH minus ion concentration divided by H2O concentration. So this H2 concentration to H2O concentration will cancel out, or H plus and OH minus is what? That is what? Kw. Or Kw that is said to us in at 25 degrees Celsius what we have to take. So from here, if H plus ion I will write, H plus ion I will calculate. So what I can write? C1 K1 plus Kw. Simple. Or value is given 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 11 plus 10 to the power minus 14. If we will solve this, so minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 will come out. 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So it will come out 5 into 10 to the power minus 14, or root 5 is what? Approx 2.23 into 10 to the power minus 7. So this x value is what? 2.23. This should be our answer. Wait, x value will be what? 2.23. So I hope that it is clear. That means this is the value that will come. Let's go to next question. Question number 10. So in this question, what is saying that molar volume of van der Waals gaseous state chapter. In for G means it is removed, but in Jee Advance it is there. But we have covered gaseous state also. Let's see what question is saying. So question is saying to us that molar volume Vm for van der Waals gas can calculated expressing the van der Waals equation as a cubic equation. For cubic equation also we have written for van der Waals equation. That equation only, whatever the van der Waals equation is there, that only we have converted into cubic equation. Vm as the variable, Vm as the variable, the ratio in mole per decimeter cube of the coefficient of Vm square to the coefficient of Vm of gas having van der Waals constant A is given. A value is given, V value is given, and temperature and pressure is given to us, and R value also given. This R value we have to use. So first of all, what is van der Waals gas equation? If van der Waals equation we will write, so it is what? P plus A upon Vm square and Vm minus B is equal to RT. This is our van der Waals equation, yes or no, for real gases. That we have to convert first in cubic equation, because in cubic equation we have to take the coefficient of Vm and Vm square. That ratio we have to, that ratio is asked simply in the question. So what I can do, first the whole equation I can multiply by Vm square, so from denominator this Vm square is removed, so that only I am doing. What is P into Vm square plus A Vm minus V is equal to Vm square RT. Simple. And when I will open this bracket, so it will be what? A cubic equation. PVm cube plus AVm minus PBVm square minus AB is equal to what? Vm square RT. Or that I can write in different way this. If I will take common, then it will be what? PV plus RT. All coefficient of Vm square I am taking one side only. So it will be what? Vm square plus AVm minus AB is equal to 0. So this type of equation we will get. This is our cubic equation first of all. In this cubic equation, if we will check, then Vm square is here or Vm is here. So this is the coefficient of Vm square or A is the coefficient of Vm. That ratio is asked. If this ratio we will calculate, so easily we can calculate because all values are given to us. So will be what? Coefficient of Vm square is what? Minus PV plus RT, or coefficient of Vm is what? A. So it will be what? Minus PV plus RT divided by A, and all the values is given. Pressure value is given. Wait, pressure value is given. A value is given, V value is given, R value is given, and temperature value is given. No problem, direct we can use. So see, minus 300 into 0.06 plus 0.082 into 300 divided by 6. Or when we will solve this, it should be come out 7.1 nearest. So this will be an answer. No problem in that case. So very easy that I will say this moderate type only because after giving this much theory, we have that much data, like we can try to attempt that also. Most of the student will lose hope only by reading this much long theory only. But simple is there. Direct cubic equation, if we know, then direct coefficient ratio we can calculate. If don't know, then van der Waal equation we know, and van der Waal equation we know. After that we can calculate this cubic equation, and after that coefficient ratio we can write. So I will say very easy question is there only. Just moderate category I am giving you, giving it this question because language is given like that. So that's right, no problem. So let's see next question. Question number 11, that is saying to us, considering ideal gas behavior, the thermodynamics. Thermodynamics question is there. Generally in advance from thermodynamics, typical questions are there, very typical questions. But let's see. Considering ideal gas behavior, the expansion work done when 144 gram of water is electrolyzed completely under constant pressure at 300 Kelvin. From that record, if we will check for Jee Advance for thermodynamics, it is like good questions is asked. But this question is direct formula based question is there, and easy question is there. What they are saying, electrolysis or electrolysis of water we are doing. So first of all, of electrolysis of water we will do. Then what gas will form? H2 gas will form and O2 gas will form. This will be our equation. This will be gas, and due to that gas, that gas will do expansion work only. Yes or no? A number of mole we can calculate how, because water number of mole is given. We can calculate by weight. Weight is given 144 gram. If 144 gram means 144 divided by 18, that means number of mole of water is given 8 mole. So by 8 mole of water, 8 mole of H2 gas will form and 4 mole of O2 gas will form by distoichiometry ratio. Are mole concept. If 2 mole H2 gas will if 2 mole H2 will give 2 mole of H2 and 1 mole of O2. If 8 mole H2 we have, then 8 mole H2 and 4 mole water will give. And what is the work formula? W is equal to what? Minus delta Ng RT. Direct formula we have done this thing. Minus delta Ng RT. So delta Ng, see, final mole we have 12 mole and it is completely dissociated. That means initial mole will be 0. So W will be what in that case? Minus 12. Delta Ng is what? 12. R value is given 8.3. And T, temperature value is given to us 300. But remember, this will come out in joule. But in question, it is asked to us in kilojoule. This also remember. Yes or no? So when we will solve this, so it will come out 29,880 joule. If in kilojoule we want to convert, that means divide by 1000. So it will be what? 29.88 kilojoule it will come. So this should be our answer. Simple question is there. Very simple. 29.88 kilojoule. This will be the answer that will come out. So this formula is there that everyone know for gaseous expansion work. If pressure is constant, by how we can do. A number of mole is given, no problem. So let's see next question. Next question is, okay, now match the column questions are there that we have to match. Okay, let's see what question is saying. Okay, the correct match of the group reagent. Okay, qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis. Every student afraid with this chapter. What is saying that group reagent list 1 for precipitating the metal ion given in list 2nd from the solution passing S2. Okay, see, in qualitative analysis anything they can be asked and they can ask, but what they have asked, direct group reagent, group test. That means in this group you have to know, just simple in this, for this question you have to know in group first which element is there, group second which ion is there, which group second, in that also cation part, group third which cation is there, and what is the group reagent for that. This simple. So H2S, option number 1 we are doing H2S and NH4OH, that means basic H2S, is the group reagent of fourth group reagent is there, and for fourth group reagent only one cation is given, they have given Mn+2. Same way for NH4 whole twice CO3 ammonium carbonate in N with NH4OH, this is the group reagent for fifth. Group fifth reagent is there, and for fifth which cation is given, Va+2 they have given. Same way NH4OH plus NH4Cl, it is what, group third hydroxide. Simple. And for this group third only one cation they have given, that is what, Al+3. And same way fourth one H2S and HCl, dilute HCl they have given, that is what, group second sulfide. So for group second also they have given only one cation only, that is what, Cu+. So just we have to know what is the group reagent. Why that we are able to do this question? So in this question what is there, P will correctly match with 3. P will correctly match with 3 and Q will correctly match with Ba+2 4 and R will correctly match with 2 or S will correctly match with Q+2. Accordingly options I have not marked here, otherwise accordingly options we can choose, no problem. So this is our question number 14. Let's go to next question. Okay, this is physical and inorganic question, paper first is done. Next we will start, next video will be there for organic, paper first, then paper 2 also we will discuss. And let me know if any other problem query you have, you can comment down this video. Thank you very much. And if you like, then you can subscribe also, it is not compulsory. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.